वर्षा जी, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई। आपकी इच्छा थी, यू वांट गो यूएस टू डू पीएचडी इन केमिस्ट्री विद फुल स्कॉलरशिप।
थैंक यू सर।
सो टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। आप कहाँ से आती हैं, क्या फैमिली बैकग्राउंड है, क्या एजुकेशन रहा है, और क्या आपका रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस आपने गेन किया अभी तक।
मैं एक्चुअली मुंबई से बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप हूँ। लाइक मेरा होम टाउन उदयपुर है। पर मैं मुंबई में रहती थी पहले। सो मेरा स्टडीज ग्रेजुएशन तक मैंने मुंबई में ही किया है। देन आफ्टर दैट आई वेंट टू एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी वेयर आई
ओके।
कंप्लीटेड माई मास्टर।
कब आपने बीएससी कंप्लीट की थी, क्या ग्रेड थे, कब मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया, क्या ग्रेड क्या परसेंटेज रही आपकी।
मैंने अपना मास्टर्स तो अभी कंप्लीट किया था 2022 में। एंड graduation like BSc Mumbai में it was 2020 or in 2020 I had completed my graduation and in 2022 I completed my masters.
हम्म। क्या
uh,
परसेंटेज से में याद है आपको।
हाँ, BSc में मेरे इतने अच्छे परसेंटेज नहीं थे, like it was only 76%. After seeing your videos and after one of my friend that you might be knowing her. She is also from MIT University and she is right now in America,
क्या
Vermont
नाम
University. Pinky,
है? ओह
Pinky
यस।
Sharon. Yes, she basically introduced you to me. So I was very much, I'm very thankful to her that she brought me to this. But she was one of the that she had a big part in this.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। तो कोई आपको डाउट ही नहीं होगा, एक क्रॉस रेफरेंस मिल जाता है तो देयर इज नो डाउट्स कि क्या करना है आगे बढ़िया। और क्या
हाँ,
एग्जाम आपने दिया, क्या स्कोर रहा आपके एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस में।
sorry sir.
व्हाट एग्जामिनेशन डिड यू टेक फॉर द एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस टू बी कंप्लीटेड।
Like IELTS, I took IELTS.
क्या
I
स्कोर
took
था आपका।
IELTS at 7. I got 7 in IELTS. First attempt ही था और I was not very confident with the exam, but it was quite nice that I cleared it in first attempt.
कौन से सिलेक्शन है आपका, और क्या सब स्कॉलरशिप है, स्टाइपेंड वगैरह है।
Um, मेरा मिसिसिपी यूनिवर्सिटी से है। मिसिसिपी स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी। that I got a stipend of 23,500 and that would that would be for 5 years. That's it.
तो यहाँ पे मिसिसिपी में क्या इंटरेस्ट है, क्या 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 बेसिस है रिसर्च का।
मिसिसिपी में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, मैंने जो दे who is already working on those things, so she was very interested in this. She showed interest that I am also very much qualifying the same interest, so that's why.
पूरा आपका पैनल मैच हो गया तो आपको लगता है कि स्पेशली लड़कियां हैं जो कीप आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन, नॉट इजी एज ए स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड। बहुत कुछ चैलेंजेस रहते हैं इस स्टेज तक आने में। लाइफ में क्या चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए कि आप यहाँ तक पहुंचने में।
लाइफ में सर ऐसे तो जो प्रॉब्लम्स नॉर्मली आते हैं, लाइक स्टडीज में और चैलेंजेस लाइक कंपटीशन तो हर जगह रहता ही है। बाकी from my family I have never faced any like these issues, like I can't study or anything. uh, जब मैं 12th में थी, so that time I was not very developed, so that time I thought that maybe they won't let me study because of my background, like as I am a Marwadi and I have heard many things. I heard many things about different cousins and everyone that they had to get married in at a certain time. So I was very worried that time, but later on I was introduced to my parents very closely. So that time I understood that they are not in anywhere in between my dreams. They
राइट।
want me to achieve everything. So they have never pressurized me. And other people जो कहते हैं कि ये नहीं कर सकते वो नहीं कर सकते, my parents usually ignore them because they want me to do what I want to do. Like whatever my dreams are, I should achieve those things. So barriers तो कभी आए नहीं, but as a woman there are normally थोड़े तो होते ही है, like when we go outside, only those things. Rather than that, nothing had ever come in between me and my dreams because my parents were have been or have ever been always been
Okay.
supportive. Like, it is very nice.
Team help you. Can you explain a bit?
My siblings.
I mean, इस process में how our team, let's to GRE, help you in getting this admission?
Yes, your team has greatly helped me. Like whenever I had queries, I used to like message, and there were always there was someone always answering like my queries, and uh, you helped me with all the universities. Like that was the most difficult part in this thing, like selecting universities and knowing they will what do we
Match up.
say. Yes, they will collide with my interest. So that was the basic part. Like there are many universities outside. So that was the most helpful part from your side. Like you sent me the university list like twice.
Two things. Systematic approach is needed anyway. Yes, बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Yes.
कुछ कहना चाहे, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट आपका वीडियो देखेंगे और इंस्पायर होते हैं, उसको लगता है अच्छा देखो वर्षा कैन डू इट, मे बी आई एम आल्सो राइट कैंडिडेट। क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऑडियंस के लिए?
I would just say कि अपने पे belief रखो, like you can do it, and if we doubt then we keep doubting, like because this is a very big step, like going outside and living in a different country. We think that maybe we are not capable of doing those things, or maybe we will not reach that point. Like I have seen setbacks. Like it's been a very tough time for me too. Like when there was no responses and everything, and there was yes, there was pressure that it won't happen, and I am already on that path. So that I would say, like, you have to keep going. You have to keep going, and you will eventually be there.
Yes, true.
That's how I say.
वेरी नाइस, ग्रेट थॉट। एक और चीज है कि यदि परसिवरेंस रहे और सेल्फ मोटिवेशन रहे और चीजों को आप राइट डायरेक्शन में देख पाए तो आई थिंक कुछ भी संभव है। दिस इज द वे।
Yes.
Yes. वर्षा, थैंक यू सो मच, एंजॉय योर टाइम।
Thank you so much.
बाय बाय।
Bye, sir.